Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question we have to find out the adjoint of the matrix. Let's say this is the matrix A, which is given as 1, minus 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5 and minus 2, 0 and 1. So we can say that the adjoint of the matrix A is equals to the matrix which consists of element A11. A11 here is representing the cojoint of the element A11. This is A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, A313, A23 and A33. So in order to find the adjoint, we have to find out first the minor, and then from minor we have to find out the cofactor. So from here let's calculate the minor. So we are considering about the minor. So the value of M11, cancel the row and column which consists of the element A11 and write the remaining element in the form of matrix. That become equals to 3, 5 and 0, 1. Now find out its determinant. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, minus 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. So this from here is equals to 3. Now the value of M12 can cancel the row and column which consists of element A12, write the remaining element in the form of matrix, which from here is equals to 2, 5 minus 2, 1. Now find its determinant. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, minus of 5 multiplied by the minus 2 is minus 10. So this from here is equals to 2 plus 10. That become equals to 12. Now minor of the row 1, 3, A13, cancel the row and column which consists of element A13 and write the remaining in the form of determinant. That become equals to 2, 3 minus 2, 0. Now calculate its determinant. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, minus of 2 multiplied by the 3 multiplied by the minus 2 is minus 6. So this from here is equals to plus 6. In the same way, the value of M21, cancel the row and column which consists of element A21. Now write the remaining element in the form of the determinant. That become equals to minus 1, 2, 0, 1. So calculate its determinant. Minus 1 multiplied by 1 is minus 1, minus 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. So this from here is equals to minus 1. In the same way, the value of M22, cancel the row and column which consists of element A22. Now write the remaining in the form of determinant. That become equals to 1, 2, minus 2 and 1. Now calculate its determinant. 1 multiplied by the 1 is 1, minus of 2 multiplied by the minus 2 is minus 4. So this become equals to 1 plus 4, that is equals to 5. In the same way, the value of M23, cancel the row and column which consists of element A23, write the remaining in the form of matrix. That from here become equals to 1 minus 1 minus 2 and 0. So 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, minus of minus 1 multiplied by the minus 2 is plus 2. That become equals to minus 2. Now in the same way, calculate the minor of M31. That become equals to, cancel the row and column which consists of element A31, write the remaining in the form of matrix, that is minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 3 and 5. Now calculate the determinant. Minus 1 multiplied by 5 is minus 5, minus of 3 multiplied by the 2 is 6. So that from here is equals to minus 11. For M32, cancel the row and column which consists of element A32, write the remaining in the form of matrix, that is A12, it's 1, 2, 2 and 5. Calculate its determinant, that is 5 minus 4, that is equals to 1. Now M33 become equals to 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Calculating it, that is 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, minus of minus 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So 3 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So they are all the determinants. Now we have to find cofactors. So cofactor of Aij is equals to minus 1 raised to the power I plus j multiplied by the m of ij. So we are considering about the A11. So minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1, and its M11 is 3. So minus 1 raised to the power 2 is plus 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. In the same way, the value of A12 is minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2 multiplied by the minor, that is 12. So this from here, minus 1 raised to the power 3 is minus 1 multiplied by 12 is minus 12. In the same way, the value of A13 is equals to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3 multiplied by its minor, that is 6. So minus 1 raised to the power 4 is plus 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. In the same way, the value of A21 is equals to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 1 multiply by its minor, that is minus 1. So minus 1 raised to the power 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by the minus 1, that is equals to plus 1. Now the value of a22 is equals to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 multiplied by the its minor, that is equals to 5. Minus 1 raised to the power 4 is plus 1. Plus 1 multiplied by the 5 is 5. In the same way, the value of a23 is minus 1 raised to the power 5 multiplied by its minor, that is minus 2. Minus 1 raised to the power 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by the minus 2 is plus 2. In the same way, the value of a3 is equals to minus 1 raised to the power 4 and its minor is minus 11. So minus 1 raised to the power 4 is plus 1. Plus 1 minus 11 is minus 11. The value of a32 is equals to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 2, that is 5 multiplied by its minor is 1. So minus 1 raised to the power 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by the 1 is 1. Now the value of a33, that is equals to minus 1 raised to the power 6 multiplied by its minor, that is 5. So minus 1 raised to the power 6 is plus 1. Plus 1 multiplied by the 5 is 5. Now we are having all these values of cofactors. So we can say that the adjoint of the matrix, plug this value here, plus the value of cofactors, that is a113, a211 minus 11. In the same way, this is minus 12, 5, minus 1, 6, 2 and 5. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of basically determinants. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.